In this video, I will show you how to create your post almost all type of social media in just one click in Canva. So guys, we can see we have this thumbnail and we have this project and you want to share this project almost all type of social media. So click on resize. Here click on this social media. So select here as you need Instagram reel, Instagram post, story, ad, TikTok, Facebook story cover. So we can see there is a number of social media, or you can select all. So select here like Instagram and select Instagram post, TikTok, Facebook. So I need a Facebook story, YouTube, thumbnail, and post. Similarly, in Twitter post, then click on continue. Now click on resize to these 5 designs. Now wait for a few seconds and click on open designs. So this all post will be ready with different dimensions. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.